Hey guys, Rachael Turner here. I'm a licensed builder and the founder and director of my construction business, Front Porch Properties. Today I'm going to show you how you can install floating shelves using the Kaboodle benchtops. So we are using the American Oak from the Kaboodle kitchen benchtop range. What we have done is we have already installed one here, and this is how we've done it. We're using these wall-mounted dowel brackets, which we have fixed 2 on the wall here. You could use a third one as well, but we are actually going to fix it in through this gable to secure this end. And then what we've done on the back of the shelf, we have used a router. You could also use a chisel if you prefer to check out the back of the floating shelves, which will house these brackets. And then you just slip the shelf on. And then, as I mentioned before, we're going to fix in here through this gable as well to secure this end. And finally, I just want to mention how we finished off this little design detail here. We just used a jigsaw to cut off the corner there. So there you have it, as simple as that, some DIY Kaboodle floating shelves.
Thanks, Rachael, for sharing this hack with us. A lot of people don't realise you can use your offcuts from your Kaboodle benchtop to create open shelves. This is a great use of excess material and looks amazing too.